Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer contacts to Google Contacts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Contacts website at contacts.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, locate the Import option on the left sidebar. Click on Import to open the Import dialog. You will need to have your contacts ready in a compatible format, preferably a CSV or VCF file. If your contacts are in a different format, you may need to convert them first. To upload your contacts, click the Select File button in the Import dialog. Browse through your computer to find the CSV or VCF file you want to upload. Select the file and click Open. After selecting the file, confirm by clicking the Import button. Watch the progress notification to see if the import is successful. Once the import is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your contacts list to ensure all names and information have transferred correctly. If you find any duplicates, you can use the Merge tool in Google Contacts. To do this, click on the Duplicates option on the left sidebar. Review the duplicates and select which ones you want to merge. After confirming, the contacts will be consolidated into single entries. Your contacts are now successfully transferred to Google Contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.